What's up, guys? My name is Dane. This is my first video for my YouTube channel. I didn't really plan for it to be the first video, but it happens to be the first video, and I'm happy I'm actually finally gonna upload something that is beneficial or helpful to someone out there. So what the video is about today is exactly what the title said. If you run into the code or the issue that I've ran into twice now, I finally found a solution, and it's not really a solution because the first time I ran into that issue, I happened to just wait and then it worked. And then this time I figured out a way to make it work without having to wait. And I'm happy I discovered it. I wish when I discovered it, I used my screen recording software that I used to stream. Follow me on Twitch at Hot Black. That's HOTTBLACKK. Yeah, I wish I had recorded my screen just to show you guys that what I'm saying is actually legitimate and it could actually bring value to your life. I was actually watching a few YouTube videos to try and help myself figure out what the problem really was, and most of the videos were giving me options to delete my files on my Xbox, reset my Xbox, reset my router, unplug my router, throw my Xbox away and get a PS5. I didn't want to do any of those because I'm in college, so I don't have a router. I just get my internet through Ethernet or the college Wi-Fi, and I can't go to the IT department and ask them to reset the router because my Xbox. If I was at home, it would have been the same thing because my mom works from home and my sister works from home, so I wouldn't be able to reset my router. And I do not want to lose my files on my Xbox because those have been coming from the old days. Just a heads up, I have the Xbox Series X. Big fat thing. I have the Xbox Series X and I've had it for a little bit over 6 months now, and I love it. Honestly, I really love it. Gameplay is smooth, and when I ran into this issue, it really sucked for me, so I'm happy I figured out a way to, get it working for you. The things that you're gonna need is obviously your Xbox. This is stuff that I did. This is not what you have to do. You can go with any method that you prefer. If you don't have what I'm gonna list next, you can always just go with resetting your router if you live by yourself, or if your family or whoever you live with don't care to lose internet for 5-10 minutes. So you're gonna need your phone. You're gonna need a smartphone, to be precise. You're gonna need service, hotspot. Yeah, hotspot. So I currently use T-Mobile. They give me unlimited hotspot, which basically means I can do whatever I want on it forever and it won't bother me. I just went ahead and connected my Xbox to my hotspot. It took me probably the process took me probably 15-20 minutes because it's it's your hotspot. It depends on, also depending on your location, it could be slower, could be faster. We all know how this stuff works. I found some pictures on the internet to ensure that you're doing the steps correctly and I'm not just talking and you actually get hands-on, because that's the type of person I am. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, once you get to your iPhone and you're on your phone, you want to be on your home screen, or you can find your settings app. Mine is right here in front of me. Go into settings, and the option you're going to want to look for is personal hotspot, because that is what you're going to use to project internet or give off a Wi-Fi connectivity so your Xbox could connect to it. Once you're in here, if you don't see the screen, this either means you don't have accessibility to hotspot or you have not set up your hotspot as yet. Just go through the steps it's asking you to do, which is going to be create a hotspot name and a Wi-Fi password. My Wi-Fi password is that, but you can make yours whatever you want it to be. It could be I love my cat 132 or something. I don't know. I spelled love wrong, but you get the gist. Once you have all that set up, exit out of your settings app, and you want to make sure your Wi-Fi is off, because if your Wi-Fi is on, then it will turn off your hotspot immediately. And another quick way to get into your hotspot is going into the control center and holding down the section that has your airplane mode and cellular data on. You hold that section down and it'll give you the option to turn on and turn off your hotspot. And remember, if your Wi-Fi is on, I'll show you, it will automatically kick your hotspot off. It should automatically kick your hotspot off, but whatever. All right, so now we're on the Xbox page. The only thing you'll need to do here is go into your settings. You want to hit the home button and go over to your profile, go down to settings. Once you're in here, the only tab you'll need to go on to is network settings. And once you're in network settings, you want to hit set up a wireless network. At this point, you will be searching for your iPhone's name. Mine is just iPhone, so I'm going to go ahead, hit that, and you will want to type the password in that we already set up previously. I will not have to do that because I already got through this whole process myself. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to connect to my normal Wi-Fi that my Xbox is connected to, just to show you the next steps. Once you get your Wi-Fi connected, this is me going back and ensuring that I'm connected to my Wi-Fi so we can get through to the next steps. All right, so it'll check connection and you will go through this whole process yourself. Once it's all good, you want to come back to this page and go online. Once you go online, you're golden. Guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you learned something and hope you can help someone else. If you liked the video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know how things worked out in the comment. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.